Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I want to share 5 tips for mixing your epoxy. Now I see a lot of people with different methods to get rid of your bubbles. What about trying to avoid bubbles in the first place? After you're done mixing, let it sit for a little bit and the bubbles will already go away. As you can see, it is pretty clear. Tip number 2. Stir your epoxy slow. I see a lot of people, they are of course excited to begin the project and they go like very fast, and that's actually how you make lots of bubbles. So don't do that. Tip number 3. Always stir one direction. If you're going to do this, then that, you might think that you're mixing better, but you're also making lots of extra bubbles if you keep doing this. If you go like all directions, you're actually making a lot of bubbles. Tip number 4. How to know when you're done mixing. If you go slowly like this over the bottom and you feel some resistance, if you feel that resistance, you're feeling the hardener. So it's not mixed properly yet. Tip number 5 to improve your mix is to throw your batch into another cup. Then mix again for about a minute or so. You can actually feel that when you throw it over into the other cup, that the epoxy warms up right away. So that's it for some quick tips. Please like and subscribe, so I know people are actually watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care.